Hey food lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make chicken korma, a mouth-watering dish that's rich, creamy, and packed with flavor. Get ready to impress your taste buds. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 kilogram of chicken cut into pieces, 2 large onions, 3 tomatoes, a cup of yogurt, and a mix of spices: ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and salt. And don't forget the oil and a few sprigs of fresh cilantro for garnish. Start by heating some oil in a large pan. Thinly slice your onions and fry them until they're golden brown and crispy. This will add a lovely crunch to your korma. Once done, set the onions aside. Now, in the same pan, add a bit more oil if needed and toss in your ginger garlic paste. Sauté for a minute until it's fragrant. Next, add the chicken pieces and cook until they're no longer pink. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, blend your tomatoes into a smooth puree. Once the chicken is ready, pour in the tomato puree and cook for another 5 minutes. Now, it's time to add your spices. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and salt to taste. Stir well to coat the chicken evenly. Reduce the heat to low and add the yogurt. Stir continuously to prevent curdling. Cook for about 10 minutes until the oil starts to separate from the mixture. Finally, sprinkle in a teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. When it's done, garnish with crispy fried onions and freshly chopped cilantro. Serve hot with naan or steamed rice, and enjoy the rich, creamy goodness of chicken korma. There you have it, folks. An easy chicken korma recipe that's sure to become a favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!